Hello YouTube and welcome back again to my channel. Gumala tayo. We're here in Korea. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina dahil nagmamadali papunta sa airport. Last minute kasi nakapag-impake, niready yung mga kailangan ng mga bata. So dito ako Korea, pauwi Pilipinas. Excited na. Here we come. Okay, so it's our day one getting here in the Philippines. We're driving through storm. I don't know, I'm probably gonna post a few videos. Nagalit si Mother Nature. Galit yung dagat. Ligtik, ang lalaki ng alon. But anyways, we got in early this morning at around 1 a.m. sa Clark. Namin to sa sakyan, and then now hindi na ako masyado nakapag-video dahil I have to pretty much concentrate driving dahil napaka-ulan, which is one thing, it's a good thing na dahil nga hindi mainit, medyo presko. So anyways, andito na kami sa Quezon, andito na kami sa Real. We're close to where my wife's hometown in Infanta. So there you can see the beach or the water. It's the wave are like, I don't know, 3-4 meters high ang swell. So anyways, we will catch you guys pagdating namin sa bahay ng aking mga in-laws. Bye! Hello YouTube, good afternoon. Time check, it's almost 6 in the evening or in the afternoon, whichever they say it here, evening, afternoon, whatever. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Quezon, nandito tayo sa Infanta. Yan. At tayo ay binabagyo. First time in a while na maka-experience uli ng ng ganito na maghapon na ulan. Pero mas maganda, mas gusto ko. I rather have it pouring rain like this. Dahil hindi mainit. Presko. Electric fan lang. Hindi mo na kailangan ng aircon. So electric fan lang. Okay na. And right now, I think dito sa Quezon, signal number 2 ang forecast ng bagyo pa at dadaan dito. As of 2 p.m. I think, but it's almost 6 na dito. Hopefully tomorrow mas maganda na panahon. Lipas na ang bagyo. That's what the forecast. Hopefully it diverts somewhere else para makapag-enjoy tayo dito sa Pilipinas, because we're only here for what, 2 weeks. Or 10 days. Talagang some needed R&R, what they say, para naman makapag-unwind from all the trabaho. Pretty much everyday ang trabaho. So, kailangan ng konting relaxation. Which is nagigising, wala kang iisipin muna na pagpasok sa trabaho, mag-enjoy muna ng buhay while we're here in the Philippines. So, anyways, ayan, nakikita nyo, lakas ng ulan. Talagang bumubuhos ngayon, malakas ang ulan. It's been a while that I experienced ang ganito. Malakas na ulan na ganito, malakas ang hangin. Lalo na kanina, nung galing kaming Pampanga from when we picked up the car. yung pinsan ko sinundo kami. So ang ginawa lang namin, hinatid lang namin sa bahay and then diretso na dito. We left Pampanga, I'd say around what, 3:30 ng umaga. We landed at like 1 in the morning. So anyways, bibili muna tayo ng merienda or rather hapunan Spanish bread. Tsaka mga tinatinapay kung ano man bibilin ni boss. Andun si boss sa panaderia. So anyways, we'll catch you in a bit. Alright? Good morning. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina or kagabi. Andito tayo sa Agos right after the storm. Tundok sa likod. Mapalipad tayo ng drone. Maybe we could get a few footage off the drone. See kung gaano kataas yung tubig. Probably from my in-laws. About maybe what, less than 10-minute drive mula dun sa bahay. May mga kwarihan dito sa likod. So aakit tayo and I think they built this dike. So you can see how high it is. So para I guess pag yung nag-overflow yung ilog, as you can see, I'm gonna come up. Tingnan natin gaano kataas. Okay? Okay, so hindi siya ganun kataas yung tubig, yung water level that where everybody was expecting. Dito tayo ngayon sa Agos River. Walking on the dike. I think it's fairly new built. Just not sure kung kailan ginawa. But look at the view behind me. Oh. And the river, like I said earlier, it's not that high, or the water level anyways. But yeah, it's pretty interesting, and this thing goes all the way around. All the way around there. There's the boss, and it goes all the way around there. And I think it meets up at going to General Nakar Bridge. Hindi ko lang alam kung saan to, but parang kagaya yung mega dike sa Pampanga, I guess. In the future, I don't know, you could bike or you could bring your motorcycle up on the dike kung saan ka man pupunta. So tapos na tayo maggala dito sa Agos River. So let's go.